Baked rice. This is the recipe that my grandmother makes every weekend. It turns out simply amazing. It's quick, easy, and delicious. You can't resist it. Start by adding 250 grams of cooked rice in a bowl. Next, 150 grams of sliced ham cut into small squares. Also add 150 grams of cheese. Then, add a sachet or can of canned corn. After that, a grated carrot. Once this is done, add green seasoning to taste. Next, mix these ingredients very well. And if you like easy recipes like this, go ahead and click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. After finishing this step, set this part aside. In another bowl, add 2 eggs. Then, add 170 grams of creamy cream cheese. Right after, add 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Then, a small carton of heavy cream. Next, add 50 milliliters of milk. Then, half a spoon of salt. Next, add black pepper to taste. Now, mix these ingredients very well. While you're at it, tell me here in the comments which city or country you are watching this video from. I want to know how far it will reach. At this point, it is perfect. Now add all this mixture on top of the rice. After that, mix again very well to incorporate these ingredients. And if you are looking for a quick, easy, and delicious recipe for lunch or dinner, you just found it. Save it so you don't lose it. Shortly after, transfer all the rice to a serving dish. After that, using a spatula, let's spread it very well, just like I'm doing. Whenever my grandmother makes this recipe, it's a success. The whole family loves it. When you make it at your home, I am sure it will be no different. Finish with 200 grams of grated cheese on top. Here I am using mozzarella cheese. Using your hands, spread the cheese. Then, take it to the preheated oven at 180 degrees for approximately 30 minutes. Our baked rice is ready, everyone. Now just serve and check out the result. And look how amazing this recipe turns out. Simply wonderful. An excellent option to make on weekends and gather family and friends. Make it at home, and I'm sure everyone will love it, and you will not regret it. If you have stayed until here, don't forget to leave a rating from 0 to 10 for this recipe in the comments. In your opinion, what score does this baked rice deserve? Now I'll leave it here, a big hug, and see you in the next video.